Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good
Hello, good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm too good, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, let me ask you something. How many have joined now? Okay. If I say that you have to describe writing in one word, what it will be? Yes, one word to describe the writing module. What's your biggest fear in writing? Anyone?
For me, it's grammar, ma'am.
Grammar. Okay.
Grammar.
Grammar.
Task achievement.
Task achievement. Then this session is for you.
Unnatural phrases.
Natural phrases. Okay. What
Idea
about
development.
idea development? Yes. Idea, grammar, phrases, task achievement. Yes. What about others? The biggest fear.
Ma'am, generating ideas quickly.
Idea generation. Yes. Neha says vocabulary and sentence structure. I don't believe that now you have any problem with sentence structure or vocabulary. Anyone who is still facing problem with creating the sentence structure or going for the vocabulary, please mute yourself. Always check your mic. Yes. Anybody else? Time management? किसी को time management से related कोई problem? How to manage?
Yes, ma'am, I have the problem of time management.
Okay, Akriti, time management. Rest all, you're able to manage time. You're able to write 250 or 260 words in 40 minutes. Is it?
Because of your strategy, ma'am.
In progress.
Okay. Somebody is speaking in between. Please mute yourself. Okay. One more question. Who actually starts writing immediately after reading the question? Anyone who starts writing
Earlier, I
immediately
used to write
after reading
immediately,
the
but
question? Mm-hmm.
but now I get time to first understand the question and think the 1 to 2 points.
Hmm.
Then I start writing.
Anyone who changes their opinion in conclusion?
Ma'am, I try to plan my task, how to write. Just like introduction, then body and conclusion.
Mm-hmm. So do you change your opinion in conclusion?
No, ma'am.
Acha, do you people count your words after every paragraph?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. चलो एक चैलेंज करते हैं जल्दी से.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Akriti.
Ma'am, I have also the problem of idea generation. I am unable to generate the ideas immediately.
Okay, no problem. This session is only for you. So stay here. You will have all your doubts clear. Okay? Okay, now I'm gonna write here. Can you read this statement? Any one of you who can read this statement for me, please?
Some people prefer online learning while others prefer classroom learning.
Yes. So, who read the question? What's your name?
Saira.
Saira. Okay, Saira. So, I want to tell you one thing that आज का जो session है, you will be able to understand what the IELTS question is. And you will able to understand it correctly before writing anything. You will be able to understand the topic, the task, and the keywords quickly. Avoid going off topic in any task too. You will be able to generate your ideas faster without wasting any time. We will create a simple 5-minute plan strategy before writing the task too, so that you can improve the task response. जिसने बोला था मुझे task achievement में problem है, तो task 2 होता है और task response के लिए task 2 होता है, not task achievement. Task achievement is for task 1. Okay. So you will be able to improve your task response ka score by answering exactly what the examiner wants. Save time and write more organized essays after watching this. Okay, so please stay in this session, those who are present. And rest everyone, please mute yourself because बिल्कुल अच्छा feel नहीं होता जब पीछे से आवाजें आती हैं घर की. So please, when you want to speak something, only then unmute yourself. So today we are not learning grammar. We are actually learning how the band 7 students think before they write something. So when you read this statement, some people prefer online learning while others prefer classroom learning. Can anybody tell me in just 5 seconds what's the topic?
Online learning versus traditional classroom learning.
Okay. What about others?
People supporting for online learning and others supporting for traditional learning.
Yes, that's actually correct. So what's the main topic here is online learning versus classroom learning. Now, if I add, Ajay, can you tell me what type of question it is if I do not write something else after this statement? Can anybody judge, analyze, and tell
Opinion
me?
is
Opinion discussion about the pattern.
Sorry?
Opinion question.
opinion is
We have to give only our opinion.
Discussion
Have to give both opinion, ma'am.
agree, disagree.
One by one, please. What type of question is?
We have to write about 2 topics only, ma'am.
So that's what I'm asking, that there are different types of essay. You all must be knowing about problem solution, discuss both views, opinions, advantage, disadvantage. So can you tell me?
Discuss both views and give your own opinion.
Why it is discuss both views?
Ma'am, we have to discuss only our opinion.
Yes, Akriti, come again.
We have to discuss only our opinion. Only we have not to discuss both full views. It is not need to discuss both of them.
Why? I have not mentioned anything that you need to just talk about your view, nothing else. Yes. How many of you says that it is an opinion-based essay or it is a discussion or something else? Just type in the comment section quickly.
Ma'am, it can be advantage versus disadvantage.
Quickly. What type of statement is this? It's cause and effect. It's a reason-based statement. It's a contrasting statement. What type of statement is this?
Contrasting.
Why it's contrasting?
Because few people are
Opinion over there.
supporting online learning and others
Yes,
traditional
it's a contrasting statement. You need to just look at the connector. Connectors ही आपको ये describe करते हैं कि ये statement क्या है? Contrasting. So chances would be that you will only get discuss both views here. Because discuss both views means two opposite views are always there. So there's a contrasting statement. No doubt you will be writing whatever the instruction word says उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको लिखना है. यू कैन नॉट राइट ऑन योर ओन, बट द चांसेस आर जब आपको कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कनेक्टर मिलता है, इट विल बी डिस्कस बोथ व्यूज. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. अच्छा, किसी को ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लम है कि टाइम फिनिश हो जाता है और आप लोगों ने अभी तक आई गेस 200 या 180 वर्ड्स लिखा होता है? ऐसा भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है किसी के साथ?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, we
ma'am, I
do.
have the same
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
और ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम कि लगता है टॉपिक तो इजी था बट मार्क्स बहुत कम आए हैं, मतलब बैंक स्कोर्स कम मिले हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
मैम पॉइंट्स भी दिमाग में
Yes,
आते आइडियाज नहीं डेवलप टाइम
आइडिया
पे ही
जनरेशन. यस ममता, ये डाउट तो, ये प्रॉब्लम तो मुझे ऑलरेडी मैंने अपनी लिस्ट में मेंशन कर दी है, दैट आइडिया जनरेशन इज द प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ जी.
वोकैबुलरी किसी का प्रॉब्लम अभी भी हो?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मेरा वोकेबरी एंड स्ट्रक्चर, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर.
हाँ, तो सेंटेंस
और
स्ट्रक्चर और वोकैबुलरी हम बहुत अच्छे से कर चुके हैं, आपको उसकी
हाँ जी,
प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक
ठीक
कि
है.
इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग द सेशंस, जिन्होंने सारे सेशंस अटेंड करे हैं फॉर द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, फॉर पैराफ्रेजिंग, फॉर वोकैबुलरी, की वोकैबुलरी हमने लाइव प्रैक्टिस करी है कि कैसे हम अपग्रेड करते हैं विद द चंक ऑफ वर्ड्स, राइट? तो अगर आप उसकी ऑन अ डेली बेसिस 10 to 15 मिनट्स भी कोई भी 4 से 5 स्टेटमेंट की प्रैक्टिस करते हो, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए. गर्व, जस्ट गिव मी 5 minutes. I have just started with the session. I will take all your doubts and queries by the end. Okay?
मैम मुझे पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. जैसे आपने हमें एक सिंपल सेंटेंस दिया है ना, हमने उसको रिफ्रेश पैराफ्रेज डिफरेंट वे में लिखा, जैसे जो भी हमने पैराफ्रेज के
Yes.
रूल्स किए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग. मैम मेरा ऐसे है कि अगर मैं एक जैसे मैंने पैराग्राफ लिखा, फ्लो में राइटिंग की है, उसके जब मैं रीड करती हूँ ना, तब मुझे आता है कि नहीं हम इसको मैसेज चेंज कर सकती हूँ, इस वर्ड को मैसेज मॉडिफाई चेंज कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. So that is
देन
what
आई
you
कैन
need to
रिफ्लेक्ट
do.
इट.
अभी आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, सुने ना? यू आर जस्ट
ओके.
प्रैक्टिसिंग. तो अभी तो करो, यही चीज पे तो वर्क करना है. आपने 4 स्टेटमेंट्स लिखी. सपोज यू आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट 1 स्टेटमेंट. मैंने आपको कैसे प्रैक्टिस करने को बोला? एप्लीकेशन से कोई भी क्वेश्चन को उठाओ, क्वेश्चन को जस्ट रीड करा,
ओके.
एनालाइज करा, एनालाइज के बाद व्हाट डू यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. जितना आप आइडिया अभी एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो करो. रीफ्रेज दैट स्टेटमेंट. आपको आया ना थॉट कि मैं इसे कैसे अपग्रेड कर सकती हूँ, इसमें वोकैब क्या डाल सकती हूँ,
यस.
सेंटेंस को कैसे चेंज. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इट नाउ. अभी हमें ऐसे नहीं लिखना.
ओके.
ठीक है, जब हम
ओके.
पूरा स्ट्रक्चर कर लेंगे उसके बाद यू नीड टू राइट. अभी तो
ओके
यू
मैम, आई विल
जस्ट
ट्राई
नीड
इट
टू क्रिएट योर
इन दिस वे.
सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन, दैट्स इट.
ठीक है, ठीक
ओके,
है. थैंक यू.
यस.
Hi.
Okay, so I believe कि now grammar is not only the problem, vocabulary भी नहीं है. The problem is question को analysis नहीं करना आता, right? कि हमें लिखना क्या है और कैसे लिखना है. The biggest mistake which I believe is by reading the answers is that students read questions only once and they start writing and then they go off the topic, जिसकी वजह से आप band 5 या 6 पर ही अटक जाते हो. IELTS एग्जामिनर्स जो होते हैं ना, वो आपकी इंग्लिश सिर्फ टेस्ट नहीं करते. They actually check that did you answer exactly what was asked. टास्क रिस्पॉन्स में मैंने आपको क्या पढ़ाया कि एग्जामिनर क्या चेक करता है? डज एनीवन रिमेंबर?
डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आइडिया.
Your development of idea. And did you answer all parts of the question? Did you answer what was exactly asked? क्या आपने वो लिखा या आपने सिर्फ ये पढ़ा कि ऑनलाइन लर्निंग या लर्निंग के बारे में क्वेश्चन एंड यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग अबाउट द लर्निंग, but you do not understand what the question demands from you. Let me give you one more. Now this is a question. Please read it quickly.
Some people think students should study only subjects they are interested in. Others believe they should study a variety of subjects, discuss both views, and give your opinion.
Okay. So what type of essay is this?
Discussion.
Opinion.
Discussion?
Discussion.
Is it opinion essay?
Opinion.
Opinion.
Yeah.
Yes,
Opinion.
correct. It is an opinion essay, right? Because it's clearly mentioned, give your opinion.
Opinion.
It's a discuss both view also. How many views are here?
Two.
Two
Two
views.
views. You need to identify. There are two views. First view is, what is the first view?
Only subject. Study only subject.
They should study the subjects they are interested in. Only subjects they are interested in. And what is the second view?
Variety of subjects.
Variety of subjects.
They have to discuss variety of subjects.
Yes. So this is a question of discuss both views. It's an opinionated question. You need to give your opinion. You must write about first view. View one कौन सा है हमारा?
Interested in only subject.
Exactly.
Only subjects.
The first view is should study only subjects they are interested in. Second is should study a variety of
Subjects.
right? So variety of subjects, give your opinion clearly. Now suppose if you forget your opinion, what will happen?
Ma'am, can you give one opinion, ma'am? This one.
Just wait.
One
Abhi,
example.
we are not going, we are just analyzing, so just wait. Now, what happens if you forget your opinion?
One part is missing.
Ma'am, task achievement incomplete.
Not
So your band will drop because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
did not answer the question. You missed out to write your opinion. What if you write only one side of it? That means if you write only one view here, again your band will drop. If you misunderstood something, your band will crash. You will not get score. So please analyze this thing. You need to remember, I will show you different type of question. You have to tell me what type of question is this, what you need to write. We will go deep down in this, but first you need to identify the task type. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस, जब हम क्वेश्चन को पढ़ते हैं, जब हम प्लानिंग करते हैं, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि आइडेंटिफाई करो टास्क है क्या. We identified the task here.
Yes.
Look at
Yes,
the another
ma'am.
one. If this is your question, government should invest more money in public transport rather than building new roads. To what extent do you agree or disagree? What type of question is this?
Then we can go only one side. If it is agree or
Please
disagree.
don't move forward, please. I just asked what is the type of question.
Agree or disagree?
Opinion essay.
It's an opinion essay. Simple. That's why you people keep on writing. Once you read the question and you start writing, please go step by step. That's what I'm teaching you. So the type of question is opinion.
Opinion.
How many sides are here?
Two sides.
How many sides?
One side.
Ma'am, even three, ma'am. We can partially, we can.
Ma'am,
But
two side.
how
Here,
three?
two side.
Explain.
Ma'am, either government should invest in more money in public transport or building new roads.
This is two.
I think one.
So I'm just asking the justification. What do you believe? You need to tell me. How many sides? A question instruction says, to what extent do you agree or disagree?
Ma'am, it has two sides.
Students
You have to discuss both
listen.
agree or disagree. If you are partially agree,
You
then again we have
can
to discuss both.
you can fully agree. You can fully disagree. You can partially agree or disagree. But mainly, one clear position is needed here. You need to maintain that clear position throughout your essay. Remember this thing. If you forget your opinion here, examiner will be, thank you for your information, but where is your position? So opinion is 100% needed. You need to show one clear position. चाहे आप fully agree करो, fully disagree करो, partially agree करो, partially disagree करो. But एक clear position यहाँ पर बहुत important है. Please understand the type of question. Next one. Many people believe that technology has made life more stressful. Why is this happening? What can be done? What do you think about this statement? What is the
Causes
task
and
type here?
Causes and solution.
Cause and effect, ma'am.
Double type question.
Yes.
Discussion.
Cause and solution.
Problem solution.
Okay. How is it cause and effect? How is it problem solution? Please explain. What is the type here?
Two type, ma'am.
Yes.
Solution and the problem.
Solution and the problems. So when they say many people believe that technology has made life more stressful, right? Why is this happening? Causes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this happening? Because the question asks, क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? What is the cause of it? What can be done? That means the solution. So how many sides are here? What you need to answer here?
Two sides.
Two sides.
Two parts you need to cover. अगर आप एक भी part को miss करते हो, your band will drop. First part will be the causes, the reason why technology has made the life more stressful. वो reasons जिनकी वजह से technology ने life को ज़्यादा stressful बना दिया. You will be writing those causes, those reasons. And the second thing you need to answer is the solutions. Do we need any opinion here?
No.
No direct opinion is needed. Unless the question specifically asks for your opinion, you are not allowed to write any direct opinion here. You should write logical ideas, clear explanation, right? If you only discuss problems, you completely forget your solution, then this is your biggest mistake. Question is asking for two things. You need to answer two things. If you answer only one, your band score drops. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Clear.
let's look at another one. This one. What type of essay is this? Discuss both views.
Advantages and disadvantages.
Advantage.
Yes.
One-sided essay, ma'am.
It's clearly written. Do the
We have to
advantages
more focus on this
Outweigh the
advantage.
disadvantage.
outweighs the disadvantage. Student do face problems with this type of questions because instructions क्या कह रही है? What are the instruction words? Do the advantages outweighs the What is the meaning of outweigh?
Over, ma'am.
Advantages are
Overcome.
more than
More.
disadvantage.
Which
Overcome the
side
disadvantage.
is more
Overcome.
stronger?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many sides we have to discuss? No doubt we have to talk about the two sides, advantages and disadvantages, but we need to decide that which is stronger. So do we need any opinion here?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Do we need any opinion here?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
No, ma'am.
Because of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
word
We should write both.
outweighs.
Advantage and disadvantage.
Yes.
About this.
That means you must clearly decide, are the advantages stronger or are the disadvantages stronger? This is not just listing about the pros and cons. Examiner wants a final judgment from you. If you decide, suppose if you decide both the sides equally, but you never decide which side is stronger. So the answer is your essay is incomplete.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember this thing. You need to decide that which side is stronger. Because examiner wants that final answer from you. अगर आपने दोनों balance लिख दिए, so that means you did not provided that is outweigh का answer, जिसे आपको answer करना है. Okay. Now, first thing is we identified the task. Now we always have a micro question hidden. Read this.
Some people think children should start school at 4. Others think at 7 o'clock. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
Okay. Now, if I say, just talk about this statement. What do you think about this statement? You need to underline the keywords, identify the task, and find the micro question. Task आपने identify करा. What is the type of question? What is the task
Discussion
type
and
here?
opinion.
It's an opinion-based question.
Yes.
It's a discuss both views question, right? So what are the two views here? What are the two views?
School
Some
starts
said
at 4 and
school
others
think 7 a.m.
at 7.
So first view is some people believe that children should start school at 4. Second view is other think at 7. So यहाँ पे micro questions क्या है? What you need to answer in the first view? क्या answer दोगे आप first view में? If I say that you have to talk about something for the first statement, for the first view, what do you think? Anyone? Please
Ma'am,
help
why
me out
should
with idea generation.
Now first
like
view में तो मैम हम लोग like we started like here start school at 4. हमें इसका disadvantage बताना पड़ेगा ना मैम.
Disadvantage. Oh.
ma'am, it
Like some reason.
Please one
reason
by one. Do not. No, I don't want everyone to talk at the same time. Please one by one. Yes, Aryan, you were speaking something. Yes, please. Who was speaking? Yes, please.
ma'am, it can save a crucial time in the initial stage of the
No, my
learner.
question is, what we need to write for this? What is the meaning of this statement?
Ma'am, we have
What?
to support the statement that children should start the school at 4.
Okay. You are supporting this statement.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting the answers. Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes.
4 is age now. It means we अगर हम if students start the school at the early age, they will learn the basics like the sharing and the caring pattern of the school and all. If they start the somewhat later, अगर 7 age पे जाते हैं, then still there are some advantages like उनकी grasping power अच्छी होती है बच्चों की, and they can more easily adapt to the new environment as compared to as an early age.
Okay.
इस तरह हम इसको comparison कर सकते हैं.
When you read your first statement, there are two views. Remember this. First statement is some people think children should start school at 4. Now, why do some people support this thing that why they need to start school at 4? You need to write those reasons here. क्यों कुछ लोग ये मानते हैं कि स्कूल स्टार्ट होना चाहिए एट द एज ऑफ 4? व्हाई? This is the micro question here which you need to understand while writing the discuss both views. Agar, like suppose there are people here, there are 42 present here, 21 people believe that children should start school at 4. Now why? Why do you think that people should start school at 4? So आपको जो first view discuss करना है, it should be those ideas, the reason behind starting the school at the age of 4. Always generate your ideas. ऐसा नहीं start at school 4 बोला and then you're making a comparison and writing. Just think about the first statement कि क्यों start होना चाहिए school 4 पे, क्या reasons हैं? Now tell me the reason. I want you to generate ideas. अगर बच्चे at the age of 4 स्कूल स्टार्ट करते हैं? Why? क्यों करना चाहिए उन्हें?
They can socially interact with others to improve their intellectual
Social
development.
interaction. So can I say they
Yes,
can
ma'am.
have better communication skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Personality development, ma'am.
Personality development. How at the age of 4? आप इसे explain कैसे करोगे? Personality development वो भी at the age of 4?
Ma'am, cognitive development.
Or you can say the early learning development. Yes. Or
Basic etiquette.
basic etiquettes, or I would say they will become more disciplined. Right?
Yes. Yes.
And more reasons. Parents
Ma'am,
can
it
also
can.
focus on the work.
Yes, ma'am.
So first idea, why at 4? क्यों start करें? You have to talk about those reasons here. Now, if I say others think at 7, अब बाकी जो लोग हैं उन्हें लगता है कि नहीं 7 पे स्कूल स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. क्यों होना चाहिए 7 पे?
They can emotionally connect with their family members, parents.
Yes.
Emotional bond increase.
So you can say emotional maturity develops better at the age of 7.
Better social skill.
Sorry? Or they, if we talk about emotional maturity, they can have a family bonding time also. Or
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yes, please. More ideas.
Better
Why to start
understanding,
at
ma'am.
7? Yes?
Ma'am, their
Better
brain
understanding.
handles the complex ideas of learning, so it will
Yes.
be helpful for them.
Exactly. Or we can say they have a less academic pressure.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
7 पे start करते हैं. And they can also enjoy their childhood. Because if we are
Yes, ma'am.
starting at 4, they will be becoming more disciplined. They will have communication skills earlier. Development jaldi hogi, but they can enjoy their childhood. Now
ये
we
बोल सकते
answered the two things. Why at 4? Why at 7? We did discuss both views. Now the third question says, give your opinion. Now, which age do you support and why? This is the third task. There are 3 micro questions available here. First is why at 4? Second is why at 7? And the third is give your opinion. आपने दोनों को बताया. No doubt we will be explaining this in the next coming sessions कि इन्हें लिखना कैसे. अभी only did the idea generation. But third task, अगर आपको task response में 7 and above चाहिए, you need to answer all the parts of the question. So which age do you support and why? You need to answer this. Now suppose if you support the age group 4, I believe starting at 4 helps children adapt to education earlier. आप अपना वो आंसर लिखोगे क्योंकि आपने अपना ओपिनियन यहाँ पर मेंशन करना है. The question demands that give your opinion. So this is the third thing which you need to write. अगर आपको लगता है 7 is better, you will write that 7 is better because children develop naturally without any stress. Remember one thing, your reasons should revolve around only your ideas. No new idea will anytime be added in the conclusion or anywhere. Remember? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question has 3 parts and you need to answer all the 3 parts. Planning in just 5 minutes. Just because you people are not giving the answer, it took a lot of time. Otherwise, this question requires only 5 minutes to plan. That's it. Only brainstorming of your ideas take a little time, otherwise nothing. And remember, planning is not a waste of time, it's an investment. If you do not plan, your ideas will repeat. your paragraph will become weaker. There's no balance. There's no structure. So I'm just giving you a 5-minute planning formula. The 1 minute will be understanding the question. सबसे पहला मिनट जो होगा उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, अपने क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. That's what we did. हमने समझा अपने क्वेश्चन को कि क्या है. Basically, understanding the question means you need to identify the task type. Second, what you need to do in the second minute is brainstorming the ideas. Minute number 3 would be you will choose the strongest ideas. हमने 4 ideas लिखे हैं. You can only choose the 2 ideas. That's enough. Then you will think about the examples. The examples should be realistic examples or any simple example. Then you need to decide the structure. That's it. We already did this, right? हमें स्ट्रक्चर भी पता लग गया, हमें टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन भी पता लग गया, हमने अपनी स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट साइड्स भी हमें जो चूज करनी है, वी कैन राइट. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू how you can do this planning on a live question. The question is on the screen. Let's do a 5-minute planning. Some people think working from home is better than working in an office. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So what is the type of question? Jaldi se batao. Quick.
Opinion.
Opinion.
Opinion and
Yes.
disagree.
So either you can agree, you disagree, or you partially agree. Clear? Now, after understanding the question, start brainstorming your ideas. Now, what is the first one? Some people think working from home is better. This is my first point, other than working in an office. Right?
Yes, sir.
So first, what will I think about the first idea? The first statement. Some people think working from home is better. Now, why it is better? क्यों better है? Working from home is better. Why? Ideas. Yes, please.
No commuting to workplace.
Yes, so micro question को understand करो. You will write in the first possible idea. No commuting time means
Flexible
time
working
travel.
hours, ma'am.
Yes, I got one point, which is
Flexible
commuting time.
working hours.
Flexible working hours. Yes, so I can say flexible schedule. Yes.
Work-life balance.
Yes, very nice. Please, quick, we
Personal
have to
time.
do it. Yes. We got 4 ideas.
With family.
We got 4 ideas. You just need to pick up 2. That's it. खत्म. और कुछ सोचने की need ही नहीं है. Second is, why do some people prefer working in an office? Because comparison working in an office के साथ है. So second, when we'll be connecting our paragraphs, we have to write about it. क्यों working in an office होना चाहिए? Yes, quick.
Productive
More
work.
professional behavior.
Interaction.
More productive.
Yes, so we can say the more professional environment. Office में काम करते हैं तो yes. Other, जल्दी जल्दी.
Face-to-face interactions.
Face-to-face interaction, or I can say teamwork and communication.
Teamwork. Yes.
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 Or
Socialization
about coordination
with
and cooperation.
work.
yes, exactly. Even we can talk about the fewer distractions.
And learn about coordination and cooperation from each other.
Yes, so we can say supervision, collaboration.
Yes, ma'am.
We got 4
Punctual.
ideas. You just need to
Level
pick
2.
only 2. 2 is good enough to describe. Now, you got the 2 questions. What is the third part here? What do you need to answer in the third part?
Opinion.
Your position. Yes, your position. Either you agree, you disagree, or you partially agree. I partially agree because remote work offers flexibility, but office improves collaboration. So I'm giving my opinion. I'm talking about my position. That's what examiner wants from you. Okay? IELTS के question, the task 2 are not difficult. Only you people make them difficult by not breaking them into the smaller questions. So always remember that we have 3 parts. So this is what the idea generation is. No full sentences. You just need to write like this heading whenever you are doing. This is just a skeleton, I would say. Our body has a skeleton. So this is what you need to do. Whenever you just read a question, just do this. That's it. Uske baad write your opinion. A single statement. That's it.
Ma'am, for suppose if we should write about only agree part, then we no need to discuss about this disagree, right, ma'am?
No. You need to describe it. You need to describe, you need to make that comparison. Why do some people working from home? And Kushal, don't worry, when we'll be coming to the structure, it will be more clear to you. The first task is just understand the question today. Do not go into the structure, what to write, how to write. I will be teaching you in the upcoming sessions. But first, today's task is to understand the question. How to analyze that question in the first 5 minutes. That's it. Now, another trick for you, suppose you have question. How to go for that specific thinking. You have this statement, technology affects people's life. Right? Now, replace the general words. This is an advanced analysis skill, I would say. Just ask yourself, what is technology? Which people? What effect? Start thinking your ideas. How does it affect? कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी कौन से लोगों को क्या इफेक्ट करती है? Just ask yourself and give me the answer.
टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म सोशल मीडिया
Exactly.
affect ma'am both
Social
positively
media
as well as
affects,
negatively.
Yes, exactly.
especially the youth.
Positively, like we
Yes.
can communicate to each other at a far distant
No,
places.
प्लीज स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए अभी मेरे को स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए जब मैं पैराग्राफ लिखवाऊंगी देन आई वांट यू अभी माय क्वेश्चन इज कि टेक्नोलॉजी वर्ड पढ़ा मैंने व्हाट टेक्नोलॉजी कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी इट कैन बी स्मार्टफोन्स इट कैन बी एआई it can be social media it can be the learning platforms it can be the automated machines also आपने
Yes.
टेक्नोलॉजी सोचा राइट स्टेप 2 will be which people कौन से लोग
Working
कौन से
professional,
लोगों की yes it can be the
youth,
workers
Students.
it can be the
Students.
students it can be the teenagers it can be the business owners it can be the elderly people तो टेक्नोलॉजी इफेक्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को आपने डिस्क्राइब करा कि कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी कौन से लोगों को इफेक्ट कर रही है अब इफेक्ट कैसे कर रही है थिंक अबाउट दिस पॉजिटिव वे में नेगेटिव वे में what exactly changed there are 3 steps here
yes.
step number
Ma'am.
1 is think about technology कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी आपने सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज के आंसर दिए मुझे स्टेप 2 वुड बी कौन से लोग आपने आंसर्स दिए कौन से लोग स्पेसिफिकली टॉक अबाउट दैट पीपल यू गेव मी नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी अबाउट द स्टेप 3 इन दिस क्या इफेक्ट कैसे इफेक्ट कर रही है यस पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है प्लीज टेल मी
Ma'am, online education lower
Please
the
one by one. If somebody is speaking, let's maintain this. If one person is speaking, how can another start? Yes, Kushal, go ahead.
ma'am, online learning platforms are lower the real life interactions.
So that means if you are real life interaction को कम करना, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or
Ma'am,
just give me the bullet points. That's it. I don't want statement. Just the idea.
communicate with each other from far distant places.
हाँ तो फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन आप रिड्यूस भी बोल सकते हो इंक्रीज भी बोल सकते हो यस करेक्ट एनीथिंग एल्स
Reduce the
Social isolation.
and
Social media.
व्हाट सोशल मीडिया
More time to spend in social media.
That means addiction to the screens. Yes.
Yes.
Now here you can talk about positive or negative. Depends on the question. ठीक है, आप पॉजिटिव बताओ, नेगेटिव बताओ, कैसे इफेक्ट कर रहा है पीपल की लाइफ को. यू नीड टू आंसर 3 things. So always remember the hidden part. This is what the question understanding is. क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज इस तरीके से करना है आप. इट्स नॉट सम स्टूडेंट वो टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ के टेक्नोलॉजी की जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स इतनी सारी ऐसे में लिख देते हैं. एग्जामिनर को वो नहीं चाहिए. एग्जामिनर को चाहिए कि कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी ने कौन से लोगों को कैसे इफेक्ट करा. दिस इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज. अब वो पॉजिटिव करा या नेगेटिव करा, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंस्ट्रक्शन क्वेश्चन. बट यू नीड टू राइट दिस. क्लियर? यस प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how the strong IELTS ideas are created. Specific thinking कहते हैं इसे, which has better examples, the better explanation, and which leads you to the higher band scores. So whenever you see a general words in IELTS, ये general words हैं, just attack it with the question. We attacked it with the question. कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी, कौन से questions, कौन से people, क्या effect. This is what you need to do in the idea generation. Now let's do one more. जल्दी से एक और करते हैं. Now if we have this question, many young people, they prefer online shopping. Why? Is this a positive or a negative development? What do you think about this question?
Ma'am, there is 2 questions.
What are the 2 hidden questions here? Just break the topic into specific ideas. Okay, let's break it. This is our statement. Many young people prefer online shopping. So what we will be discussing here? You just
Why
need to attack
peop-
this question.
Why young people prefer online
No, I'm
shopping?
not asking abhi ye wala nahi part. I'm just focusing on this. If you have only this statement, how will you attack it? What do you think about this? What will be the step one?
Virtual technology.
But e-shopping.
Virtual shopping.
You are just giving me a word for online shopping, virtual shopping. I don't want that word.
Time saving.
What does this statement says? What you need to... Now, we read this statement, technology affects life. We did the step 1. What technology?
First, we change the online shopping to different words, like the online platforms.
Ma'am, young people.
Exactly. Young people. कौन से young people? First, you need to think. They are saying many young people prefer online shopping. कौन से young people? Think about this first. अब young people कौन से होते हैं?
Students.
Working professionals.
Young professionals, teenagers, college students, they are all young people.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Adults.
now they say online shopping. So online shopping means what type of online shopping? This is your second task. कौन से type की online shopping? Yes? कौन से type की online shopping?
Electronic gadgets or grocery,
It
outfits.
can be clothing websites, it can be food delivery apps, it can be, of course, the gadgets, it can be the beauty products. What type of online shopping? बहुत young लोग, many young लोग, they prefer online shopping. अब वो young लोग कौन से हैं? Think about this first. Then they prefer online shopping. कौन सी online shopping उन्हें पसंद है? Then it talks about prefer. Why do they prefer it specifically? क्यों prefer करते हैं? बताओ.
Time saving.
Convenient and save time.
Exactly. It's convenience. It saves time. Discount.
More options. More options.
More options. More variety. Home delivery. So this is how you will read your statement 1 and you will think about it. Then go to the step number 2. आपने is this a positive or a negative development? किसके लिए पॉजिटिव है, किसके लिए नेगेटिव है, ये आपको बताना है. पॉजिटिव के आइडियाज क्या है, क्योंकि सेव टाइम है फॉर बिजी स्टूडेंट्स, प्राइस कंपैरिजन हो जाता है इजी, मोर प्रोडक्ट चॉइसेस हैं, कन्वीनियंट है वर्किंग यूथ के लिए. नेगेटिव क्यों है? टेल मी वन आइडिया फॉर नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव तो हम सारी बातें कर चुके.
क्वालिटी पता चलती है अच्छे से.
या एग्जैक्टली.
Quality.
And
Quality.
Duplicate product.
yes, exactly, that's what come under the quality, you can say. Or
Delay
Time.
in the time,
Consume time.
delay in time.
Fraud.
Scam.
scam.
Scams,
Yes.
poor quality,
Hmm.
poor quality products.
Lower
Poor
quality.
quality
Size
products.
mismatch.
So waste of money also. Yeah. शॉपिंग एडिक्शन भी हो जाता है कई लोगों को, राइट?
Spending
फिजिकल
too
एक्टिविटी
spend,
आपकी रिड्यूस हो जाती है.
spending too much money.
And even the local shops, they may suffer, right? So general thinking अगर आप करोगे तो आपको सिर्फ weak ideas मिलेंगे. Remember this, you need to specifically think so that you can score band 7 and above. अब I know that there are many people जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ young online shopping के बारे में, young people से लेके online shopping के बारे में कुछ भी ideas लिख देते. But no, you need not to do that. Okay, you need to specifically think about the ideas. ये ऐसे सिर्फ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का नहीं है, या ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पॉपुलर क्यों है उसका भी नहीं है. The correct way is to write the reasons for it, कि why young people they prefer online shopping. You have to write those reasons. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसमें ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के बारे में कुछ नहीं लिखना कि आपने टॉपिक पढ़ा ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग एंड यू स्टार्ट रिलेटिंग इट टू द यंग पीपल, दैट्स इट एंड यू राइट. नो, you have to go in depth the reasons why young people prefer online shopping. This is what we do, कि कौन से young people कौन सी type of online shopping और वो क्यों prefer करते हैं, ये आपको लिखना है. Clear everyone? Yes, please. I want your answers that are you understanding what I'm teaching? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Totally
yes,
understand.
Good. So never write your answers immediately. Always do the specific thinking, not the general. कि ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे ऐसे, दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक वर्जन आई हैव गिवन यू, कि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का इतनी बार क्वेश्चन आया एंड दे हैव जस्ट रिटन अबाउट कि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज कन्वीनियंट, ये वो करके बस सिर्फ यही लिखा होता है ऐसे में. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू पीपल स्टक टू ओनली 6 or 6.5. Okay,
Ma'am.
just give me 1 minute. So first thing is you need to identify the task. Does the question have opinion? Always break it down. Find the micro question. एक question और रहता है. Let me just write on the screen quickly and then I'll take your doubts. Yes, please. This question. Some people think money brings happiness. Others disagree. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, what do you think? What are the parts of this question? What you need to answer?
Some people.
Yes.
क्या
Which
लिखोगे
people?
आप इसमें? Yes. Yes. So what you will
Brings
be writing?
happiness. Ma'am.
Now, when they say some people and they say money brings happiness. So what kind of money is this? How much money? Used for what? Whether it's your stable
Okay.
income, whether it's your wealth, luxury, your financial security, your money for any healthcare or education. Happiness. कौन सी type की happiness? You need to think about that happiness. कैसी happiness? Money कैसी happiness लेके आती है? Mental peace देती है, lifestyle देती है आपको, independence देती है, freedom देती है, emotional satisfaction देती है, stronger relationships. कैसी happiness देती है? You have to analyze both views here, because first there are people who believe that money brings happiness. Other part of people think it's disagree. So view 1 will be You need to analyze both. यहाँ पे discuss both views है. Why do people believe this? क्यों उन्हें लगता है कि पैसा जो है happiness लाता है? Other view 2 will be that money does not bring happiness. Why do some people disagree with this? So you need to write those reasons. Okay,
Yes.
there are 3 parts again. Step 3 will be your opinion. Do you agree or do you disagree? Like, what is your opinion? Like, you believe that money brings happiness or you believe that money do not bring happiness? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My bands don't stop at just one word. They keep asking the questions until the ideas are detailed. So you need to detail those ideas. You need to be specific while writing those ideas. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. Now somebody was speaking. Yes, please.
Ma'am, is this a positive or a negative development question that
Which
you
one?
asked before?
Yes. Yes,
Yes, ma'am, this one. So, ma'am, in this question, we have to only write about positive or
Please
both
don't
positive or negative?
go for the structure. I will be teaching you in the upcoming sessions. अभी
Okay,
आपको
okay, okay.
structure पे बिल्कुल भी work नहीं करना. I
Okay,
will be
okay, ma'am. Sorry.
teaching you each type of essay in the upcoming class. Please have a look at the schedule जो already application में आपको दिया हुआ है. Application में जाके check करो. एक दिन हम intro करने वाले हैं, एक दिन हम body paragraphs, एक दिन हम conclusion करेंगे, एक दिन opinion essay, advantage, discuss with views. तो सारा plan है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
तो अभी हम structure पे बिल्कुल बात नहीं करेंगे because it's a very detail. I cannot teach you with just few words. Right?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Our task would be that you need to focus on the planning of your essay and your generating of ideas. How to generate those ideas is really important. कैसे आप सोचते हो? So this is what I have taught you today कि आपको सोचना कैसे है when it comes to reading the question, analyzing the question. I know that some students बस topic read करते हैं. Okay, इसका topic है, चलो इसके बारे में लिख देते हैं. No, this is not for band 7 candidates. You will be stuck to only 6 or 6.5. If you read your questions like this, if you analyze your questions like this, then band 7 is not far. Okay? Now I want an honest feedback for you all. Did you find today's session helpful?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
Yes,
helpful, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did you learn today?
Ma'am,
How
planning.
to analyze the
Idea
question
generation.
And generating ideas.
So one simple formula is never write your answers immediately. Always analyze. Always plan. Always answer the exact task. And it should have a clear position. Remember these 5 steps. Never write immediately. Analyze करो, plan करो, answer करो जो पूछा गया है exactly. Question को read करते ही you need to understand what are the parts of the question जो आपको answer करने हैं. And there should always be a clear position whenever a question says give your opinion. Okay. Band 7 वाले students कोई अलग से lucky नहीं होते हैं. They are all strategic. उनके पास strategy होती है. Band 8 वाले students कोई extra intelligent नहीं होते. They are organized. They focus. If you master your question का analysis, you can control your writing का exam. ठीक है? IELTS आपको fail नहीं करता, confusion आपको fail करती है. जो आप create करते हो while writing the answers. Clear? So from today, who all will promise me for a 5-minute planning? Yes. Who will never jump into the writing blindly again? Who all will promise me today? I want you to raise your hand.
I will
I
plan.
will, ma'am.
Yes. I want you to raise your hands. Quick, quick, quick. Jaldi se. Who all will be doing this? Just 5-minute planning. Nothing else you need to do.
Ma'am,
Yes, Desh.
yesterday we learned verb formation. So in the essay, how will we word found like to convert adverb into
Mitesh, don't worry. Tomorrow's session is all about the introduction part. You will be learning how to write. So just wait for few sessions. I will be teaching you how to write those statements. Okay? In the essay. There will be a live practice in the upcoming sessions. So please don't worry about it.
Ma'am,
If I have taught you something, I will be teaching you that how you can just introduce those sentences in the writing part. So just wait. Okay?
ma'am,
Yes, Jyoti.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Please,
please. Yes.
I'm always stuck these type of questions like in cue card. Describe an adventure you would like to go on. Like I always confused when I got these type of questions. Like would wale questions ko how to answer it. Like
Would wale question go, sorry?
would describe an adventure you would like to go on. Like what?
Just write your question here in the chat box. I'll help you out. Okay? Okay. One thing I want to tell you all, just give me a few minutes. Those who has joined us today, the new students, please click on the remind me button for all of the next classes so that आपकी कोई भी class miss ना हो. At least 15 classes हमेशा आपकी application में schedule रहती हैं, तो आप उनको क्लिक करके रखो रिमाइंड मी के बटन पे, ताकि आपकी सारी क्लासेस आपको 9 o'clock पे एक रिमाइंडर सेट कर दें और आप 9 o'clock क्लास को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. मंडे टू फ्राइडे इज द क्लास, सैटरडे संडे वी हैव अ वीकेंड, सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ओके?
I'll ask you something, please.
One more thing is, please practice from the application. आज आपका टास्क ये है कि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऐसे के टॉपिक को रीड करोगे एंड क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस करोगे विद जस्ट 5 minutes. Initially, you can increase your time, but I want you to do it only for 5 minutes. That's it. Because the next 35 minutes we will be devoting to write it. So only initial 5 minutes में आपको practice करनी है, analysis करना है and the idea generation along with it. You need to know कि कौन से parts को हमें answer करना है, कैसे question को analyze करना है. Now you all know it. Apart from this, अगर किसी का भी exam nearby है, please try the Baby Code Visa Services. They will help you out with the list of options regarding your booking of the exam, listing of the countries, the courses, each and everything. You can even share the application with your friends or any family member who really want to enroll for IELTS or IELTS classes. Okay?
Yeah. Can I ask you a question before you leave? Can you hear me?
Yes. Definitely. I will be
Yeah.
asking you all your doubts. Yes.
Yeah. I was gonna ask like if this is like free of cost, like, or do I need a premium to join your classes every day?
No, classes are free. I guess for the test, you need to have that premium. Basically, the membership. You have that membership?
No, I think for now it's free of, like, I
Okay, so I
didn't buy any
believe the
membership.
membership is only for 500 rupees. If you have some discount coupon of 50 or 100, I think, then you may get some discounts. But classes are free of cost. For the test, for speaking and writing test, you need to have that membership. You need to pay an amount and then you can book a speaking test with us. Okay?
And that membership is valid for how many months?
I guess it's for 1 year. Yeah.
It's for 1 year for 500?
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Ma'am,
That's very good.
ma'am, same question like with the writing check feedback. It is by the AI or the real
No.
teachers?
AI, there's a different option of AI, but if you want to check, if you really wanted to get it checked by me, you need to submit to the shop section. Once you open your application, and in the application, you have a shop section where it is listed writing test checked by the teacher. You need to pay around, I guess, 200 rupees. Just upload your writing and you can just have a feedback. It will be
And how many
evaluated by
writings
one
would
test.
be included in that?
One test for 200, I believe. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sarjeet is present. Sarjeet is a regular student who keeps on evaluating and she's improving as well. I'm personally
Yeah,
checking his
actually,
writing.
like,
So you can
yeah,
submit, you just write it on a paper, or if you want to write it with the CBT format, just click a picture, upload your documents, you will get a feedback. Okay?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A written feedback also, each and everything, like what mistakes you did and what better you can write. So it will be like this, not AI.
Yeah, and I had one more question about the coherence and cohesion and transition, like in the IELTS writing. Actually, like I did a task yesterday, and when I get a feedback by the eye, it says like you are getting just 6 in coherence and cohesion. You're lacking that, and other than that, it was saying when you're transitioning into the different
So,
sentences,
Kirat, what you can
it
do is we have an entire session scheduled. We already did that session on coherence and cohesion. Please check the YouTube, or even you can check the application. Application has already all the classes which we have covered till now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Yes.
And
Okay.
if I go with you guys, do I get to practice writing every day, or it's a specific days on the week?
For writing.
Yeah.
No, we are actually having the writing classes now, no? So just attend those
Yeah.
classes.
No, I'm asking like, are these every day for writing, or is it like dedicated days in the week?
No. It's actually the entire course is going on. We started with the speaking module. 18 to 19 classes for speaking are already done. Then we started with the writing module. So we are into the writing module. I guess it will take around 10 to 15 days more to complete the writing module, and then we will switch to the reading and listening.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you can attend. Okay? The classes
Okay,
you
and
missed
you
out
would
for
be,
speaking and
yeah.
writing, you can watch all those classes from the application and even from the YouTube. Check the YouTube playlist. The YouTube playlist have batch course 3, which started in April, I guess 16th of April. So watch that course. That's the recent, this course going on. Okay?
If I enroll now, like, do I get a fresh batch, or I would be
No,
starting from the left?
no. This is the batch going on. No, not a fresh batch. Only this batch. Once
Only
this
this
batch
one.
will over, we will start with another batch. Abhi
Okay,
we
and
are
for
into the,
that,
yes, Abhi we are into the mid. We are into the writing module. After writing, reading, and then listen.
okay, and for that, like, it's included, like, if I buy that 1 year premium with you guys.
Yes, exactly. You just need to have that. Yes, Meenakshi, I remember, dear.
Okay.
Once everyone leave, you can join the
Okay.
session again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just
I
give me,
mentioned in chat.
yes, I got it. Just give me 1 minute. Garv, you are from the previous batch. Garv, from the first batch, Garv, are you that? Can you unmute and speak, Garv? Yeah, I remember you were in the first batch. That's really wonderful. Garv, you got your 6.5 overall. Thank you so much. So you joined us today. It's been long back. You really need some more higher score, or you're good with 6.5? Okay, great.
Ma'am,
Thank you so much, Garv. Thank you so much for such a wonderful feedback. Okay, Jyoti. Jyoti, so your question was, describe an adventure you would like to go on. So just start thinking about the adventure. कौन से adventures? कोई माउंटेन पे ट्रैकिंग का एडवेंचर हो, कोई स्कूबा डाइविंग का एडवेंचर हो, कोई डेजर्ट सफारी का एडवेंचर हो, कोई
Ma'am,
स्काई
just
डाइविंग, रोड ट्रिप का एडवेंचर हो. Yes.
then I was stuck always like I would start in past, present, और जैसे आपने बताया like you taught us ना कि like we have a format P, P, E, F that हम लोग ये इसमें आंसर करेंगे या फिर like ये वाले क्वेश्चंस में I always stuck.
आपको there is no mandatory points कि आपको कैसे, you can speak about it in your own way if you want. Past, present, future से example के साथ करना, you can do that. You want to try a different way, you can. You have to speak about any adventure which you had.
Adventure ma'am.
Adventure means any thrilling experience. कोई भी unforgettable memory when you step out of your comfort zone, that is an adventure. That's it.
No ma'am. एडवेंचर आई अंडरस्टैंड बट वुड जो है ना वो उन्होंने फ्यूचर के लिए यूज करना है या फिर मुझे पास्ट बताना है या फिर मुझे वो दोनों ही बताना है, पास्ट में
You
कर चुके
can.
हैं वो बताना है या फिर वही मैम की कंफ्यूजन है थोड़ा सा लाइक मुझे फ्यूचर बताना है या फिर मुझे पास्ट में एक्सप्लेन
आप
करना है,
बताओ,
मुझे
जब हम
दोनों
क्यू
ही करना
कार्ड करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं?
मैम हम वही जैसे आई लर्न
Your would,
फ्रॉम योर क्लासेस लाइक पास्ट में हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं
देखो
लेकिन
would,
पास्ट भी
basically would is a model verb. ठीक है, जो किसके बारे
हाँ
में
यस
बताता
मैम
है?
यस
आपकी डिजायर, आपकी विश, आपकी प्रेफरेंस के बारे में. It actually shows कि आपको क्या चाहिए, what you want. You can say, I would prefer a mountain trip. I would love to visit Maldives. I would go here and here. That's it. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे भी, I would like to go on an adventure, आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. कल क्यू कार्ड कर लेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, it will be
Do you
much better.
provide, sorry to
Yes, please,
interrupt you.
yes.
Do you provide personalized writing sessions, like a
Sorry?
personalized writing sessions? Do
No,
you
there are
provide personalized?
no, there are no personalized classes here. You need to attend these classes only.
Okay, and it's every day same time.
Yes, every day 9 to 10 a.m. according to Indian time. The classes you missed out, please watch those classes so that you will be on track with us. Okay, you missed out a lot of classes which are the basics for the writing module. We have covered all the 4 band parameters. Please go through the application or the YouTube playlist so that you can be on the track. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.